Ovoko.
Ovoko.
Coco.
Coco.
Davadi to I zum ta just stand away. Don't. Zum ta davadi to I the to. Data to the go. Clear go. Gains that got to go. Ngore ka fu kompu ka ngore. Ikaito shoot. Clear na go to the.
The Khoisan languages are a number of African languages once classified together, originally by Joseph Greenberg. Khoisan is defined as those languages that have click consonants and do not belong to other African language families. Geographic distribution: Kalahari Desert, central Tanzania. The only widespread Khoisan language is Kokho, also known as Kokhagawab, Nama or Damara, of Namibia, Botswana and South Africa, with 250,000 speakers. Sandawe in Tanzania is second in number with some 40–80,000, some monolingual. And the Kung language of the northern Kalahari spoken by some 16,000. Archaeological evidence suggests that the Khoisan people appeared in southern Africa some 60,000 years ago. Thus, the Khoisan languages may well be among the most ancient of all human tongues. Even though the Khoisan languages share similarities in their sound systems, their grammatical systems are quite unique. Most Khoisan languages use 4 clicking sounds. The southern languages use a 5th, the kiss-click, as well. Gisiriku and Ye, which are Bantu languages of Botswana and Namibia, have incorporated the 4-click Khoisan system, but Zulu and Xhosa, also Bantu languages, have incorporated only 3 clicks. Some 22,000 years ago, they were the largest group of humans on Earth. The Khoisan, a tribe of hunter-gatherers in southern Africa. Today, only about 100,000 Khoisan, who are also known as Bushmen, remain. The Khoisan were accorded religion, usually connected to worship of the sun or moon, at periods when they were acquiescent, but were seen as lacking religion when they offered resistance to settler expansion. Today, the Khoisan languages are spoken only in southwestern Africa, in the region around the Kalahari Desert extending from Angola to South Africa, and in one small area of Tanzania.